Good afternoon, students. So let us do some more problems in properties of triangles, part 1. Already 10 examples we have completed. So 11th example. If tan c minus a by 2 is equal to k cot b by 2, find k. So this is directly tangent rule or Napier's analogy. See, tan c minus a by 2 is equal to c minus a by c plus a cot b by 2. This is one of the three formulas which is called tangent rule or Napier's analogy. Tan a minus b by 2 is equal to a minus b by a plus b cot c by 2. Tan b minus c by 2 is equal to b minus c by b plus c cot a by 2. Last one, tan c minus a by 2 is equal to c minus a by c plus a cot b by 2. So these three formulae are called tangent rule. So directly he is using that here in framing this question. So comparing this with this tangent rule, clearly in place of k, so c minus a by c plus a should be there. So the value of k must be c minus a by c plus a. Okay, this is a very simple one, provided you remember the tangent rule. Okay, example number 12. In triangle ABC, show that b square minus c square by a square is equal to sin b minus c by sin b plus c. Okay, this is also a simple one. We'll take the left hand side, b square minus c square by a square. Okay. Here we use the sine rule. B by sin b is equal to 2r. That is sine rule. So b is equal to 2r sin b. So b square means 2r sin b whole square. Similarly, c by sin c is also 2r. So c is 2r sin c whole square. Similarly, a by sin a is equal to r. So a is equal to r sin a whole square. So 4r square can be cancelled out. So you'll get sin square b minus sin square c by sin square a. In trigonometry we have this formula, sin square b minus sin square c is equal to sin b plus c into sin b minus c. Do you remember this formula? Sin square a minus sin square b is equal to sin a plus b into sin a minus b. So okay, that formula. Here in place of a I can write a 180 minus b plus c, because a plus b plus c is 180 degrees. So a is equal to 180 minus b plus c. But sin 180 minus theta is sin theta only. So denominator sin b plus c whole square, sin square b plus c. Numerator no change, sin b plus c into sin b minus c. So 1 sin b plus c can be cancelled out in the denominator and numerator. That means square will go. So therefore sin b minus c by sin b plus c, that is the right hand side. So this is a simple one only. Let us see the next example number 13. A square cot a plus b square cot b plus c square cot c is equal to ABC by capital R. Okay. So we have to prove that. So take LHS. A, according to sine rule, it is 2r sin a. Therefore a square is 4r square sin square a. Cot a is written as cos a by sin a. Similarly, second term b square 2r sin b whole square, 4r square sin square b. Cot b is written as cos b by sin b. Last term also, c is 2r sin c, c square 4r square sin square c. Cot c is cos c by sin c. So one sin here, one sin here and one sin here, they will cancel out. So you will get what? One sin means square will go. Okay. So 4r square can be taken common actually, but we will take only 2r square common. In all the terms 4r square can be taken. but we will take only 2r square and remaining 2 will keep inside the bracket only. So 2 sin A cos A. Similarly 2 sin B cos B. 2 sin C cos A. So that in the next step we can write 2 sin A cos A is equal to sin 2A plus similarly sin 2B sin 2C. 2r square into sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C. But in transformations we have proved that if A plus B plus C is 180 degrees, then sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C is equal to 4 sin A sin B sin C. Okay, so in place of this we can write 4 sin A sin B sin C. So 4 into 2, so 8r square sin square 8r square sin A sin B sin C, but I have multiplied by another r and divided by r, so that numerator becomes r cube. So that 8r cube is nothing but 2r into 2r into 2r. One 2r I give to sin A, one another 2r to sin B, another 2r to sin C. I distribute it. So that according to sine rule, 2r sin A is nothing but small a. Because A by sin A is equal to 2r. So 2r sin A is small a, and this is small b, and that is small c. Denominator is capital R. So ABC by R means it is right hand side. Okay. Let us see the next example. Show that b minus c whole square cos square a by 2 plus b plus c whole square sin square a by 2 is equal to small a square. So take the left hand side. B minus c whole square means b square plus c square minus 2bc into, of course, cos square a by 2. Okay. Similarly, b plus c whole square I have expanded, b square plus c square plus 2bc sin square a by 2. So here, up to here, b square plus c square into cos square a by 2. Here b square plus c square into sin square a by 2. So I take b square plus c square common. In the bracket I get cos square a by 2 plus sin square a by 2. In the remaining terms, minus 2bc cos square a by 2 plus 2bc sin square a by 2, I take minus 2bc common. So in the bracket I get cos square a by 2 minus sin square a by 2. Okay. But cos square a by 2 plus sin square a by 2 is 1, so you will get b square plus c square only here. And you know that cos square a by 2 minus sin square a by 2 is nothing but cos a. So minus 2bc cos a. And this is nothing but cosine rule for a square. See, cosine rule, a square is equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc cos a. That is the first formula in the cosine rule. Similarly, b square another formula, c square another formula. Every formula comes 3 times. Because triangle has 3 sides and 3 angles. Every formula, similar formula comes 3 times. So this is nothing but cosine rule for a square. Okay. So that is the right hand side. Let us see the next example. Prove that a into b cos c minus c cos b is equal to b square minus c square. So of course I have solved it in 2 methods. First method, this small a can be written as b cos c plus c cos b. This is one of the 3 formulas which are called projection formulae. Small a is equal to b cos c plus c cos b. Small b is equal to what? B means remaining letters, c and a. C cos a plus a cos c. Similarly, small c is equal to a cos b plus b cos a. One letter a here, other 2 letters b and c on the other side. B cos c plus c cos b. So these are called projection formulae. So in place of this small a, that way I am using this formula, b cos c plus c cos b, and he has given another factor with minus sign in between. Same 2 terms only, but in minus in between. So b cos c minus c cos b. So it is now just like x plus y into x minus y x square minus y square, b square cos square c minus c square cos square b. Now cos square c is written as 1 minus sin square c. Similarly, cos square b is written as 1 minus sin square b. Now expanding b square into 1 here minus c square into 1, b square minus c square, that is the right hand side. Remaining will cancel out. How they cancel out? Let us see. Minus b square sin square c, that means minus b sin c whole square. And here minus into minus plus c square sin square b means c whole square. These two, how they cancel out? They cancel out because here I have written the reason. Sine rule, we know the sine rule is b by sin b is equal to c by sin c. Now just cross multiply, so you get b sin c is equal to c sin b. So b sin c is equal to c sin b, so b sin c whole square and c sin b whole square are equal. One is with plus sign, other one is with minus sign, therefore they cancel out. Because of sine rule they cancel out. So only b square minus c square, that is nothing but the right hand side. Next, alternative method. Take the LHS a into b cos c minus c cos b, expand it, ab cos c minus ac cos b. Now use the cosine rule for cos c and cos b. Cos c, what is the formula? Okay, AB will write it as it is. But in place of cos c, the formula a square plus b square minus c square. Cos c, is it not? So therefore you will get minus c square at the end. A square plus b square minus c square by 2ab. That is the formula for cos c. Minus ac into, okay, ac into cos b. What is the formula? Minus b square at the end. So a square plus c square minus b square by 2ac. Okay. Now ab gets cancelled here. Here AC gets cancelled. 2 is common in the denominator, so that 2 I have taken here. Numerator, this bracket only left out, so a square plus b square minus c square. Minus of a square plus c square minus b square. Therefore, expand minus of a square plus b square, a square plus c square minus b square. So a square minus a square gone. Okay. Next, b square minus c square minus of c square minus b square means this is also b square minus c square. So numerator is 2 times b square minus c square by 2. So 2 can be cancelled out. You will get b square minus c square. That is the right hand side. So in two methods, completely different methods. These two methods are completely different. Let us see the next example. This is a very simple one. Projection formula, I will use it. Show that c minus b cos a by b minus c cos a is equal to cos b by cos a. So what are the projection formulae for this small c and small b? Small c is here, so remaining two letters will come on the other side. Remaining letters are a and b. So a cos b plus b cos a. That is the projection rule for small c. Now c minus b cos a. That means this b cos a we have to take it to the left side. So c minus b cos a is equal to a cos b. Okay. Similarly, for this small b, what is the projection formula? B here, so remaining two letters a and c. So a cos c plus c cos a. Okay, that is the projection formula. Another projection formula. B minus c cos a is there. So this b minus this c cos a has to be taken to the left side. So b minus c cos a is equal to a cos c. That is what I have written here. Now divide this by this. That means this divided by this is equal to this divided by this. Okay, a cos b by a cos c. So a gets cancelled. You will get cos b by cos c, that is the right hand side. Okay. Let us see the next example, number 17. This is a very good one. Very good, very important. See, suppose here directly it is given that if 1 by a plus c plus 1 by b plus c is equal to 3 by a plus b plus c, then show that c is equal to 60 degrees. Suppose I change the question. I am changing the question. The question is not that show that c is equal to 60 degrees. The question is modified like this. If in triangle ABC, if 1 by a plus c plus 1 by b plus c is equal to 3 by a plus b plus c, then one of the angles of the triangle is 60 degrees. Which angle is 60 degrees? That is the question. I am changing the question. I am not giving c is equal to 60. In triangle ABC, if 1 by a plus c plus 1 by b plus c is equal to 3 by a plus b plus c, then one of the angles is definitely 60 degrees. Which angle is 60 degrees? That is my question. Which angle is 60 degrees? See the symmetry. Then you have to see the symmetry. Right hand side ABC, all the three are there. But left hand side C is repeated twice. It is there in this term and also in there. So therefore C must be 60. If one of the angles is 60 degrees, then C must be 60 degrees. Suppose A is 60 degrees, if you say, then B will come for fighting. Why I am not 60 degrees? What is the preference? Why you are giving the preference to A? Because you are in the second term. First term A is there, therefore A is 60 degrees. Now write this here and write that there. I am the first term now. Because addition is commutative, then B should be 60 degrees. That is what is called symmetry. So C is repeated, therefore C must be 60 degrees. But anyhow, let us prove this. So this is given and we have to prove that C is equal to 60 degrees. So what is given I have taken, just take the LCM and simplify. LCM is A plus C into B plus C product. In the numerator you will get B plus C here and A plus C there. 3 by A plus B plus C. Okay. 3 by A plus B plus C, right hand side, no change. But here I am cross multiplying now. Just cross A plus B plus C into, what is this one? A plus B plus C plus C. I don't write A plus B plus 2C. I write A plus B plus C plus C only. This side cross multiplication 3 into A plus C into B plus C. Now A plus B plus C into A plus B plus C, that expansion is here very easy to me. It is A plus B plus C whole square, so A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. Next, what is remaining? A plus B plus C into this C. That I am writing separately. AC here. Next, BC here. Below CA I am writing CA. Next, BC, below BC I am writing BC. Next, finally C into C, C square, below C square I am writing C square. That is the left hand side. Right hand side, 3 into, I am expanding. AB plus AC plus BC plus C square. Okay. Now, cancellation. 2BC plus BC, 3BC, left hand side. 3 here outside BC, right hand side gone. This way I have cancelled. Next, this way I am cancelling. 2CA, this cancellation are different. This way, 2CA plus CA, 3CA. 3CA is equal to 3 into CA, this way. Okay. So which term is cancelled out with what? That is I am indicating by these slants, this side and this side. Okay, so that you can easily understand. Then remaining terms I am writing. A square plus B square plus C square plus C square 2C square plus 2ab. That's all. Remaining 4 have been cancelled out. Right hand side 3ab plus 3c square. Okay. Now a square plus b square, I keep it 2c square minus this 3c square. 2c square minus 3c square, so minus c square. This 2ab will go to the right hand side. 3ab minus 2ab, ab. So we divide by 2ab both sides. A square plus b square minus c square is equal to ab. So I am dividing by 2ab both sides. So a square plus b square minus c square by 2ab. Right hand side ab by 2ab, that is 1 by 2. But this is exactly the formula for cos c. This is cos c. Cosine rule. Cos c is equal to 1 by 2. Cos c, what is the formula? Cos c. C is there, here c. Therefore, you will get c square at the end with a negative sign. A square plus b square minus c square by what? 2ab. That is cos c. So, exactly cos c is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, c must be 60 degrees. So, and that is what we have to prove. C is 60 degrees. Suppose I want to change the question. I want to show that change the question to show that A is equal to 60 degrees. What is your question? C is equal to 60 degrees. No, I want A is equal to 60 degrees. What should be modified here? C occurs 2 times. So if you want A is equal to 60 degrees, A should occur 2 times. Then the question should be here, you should change what? 1 by A plus C plus 1 by A plus B. Right hand side no change, that is symmetrical. All the 3 terms A, B, C are there. So if I change the question here, 1 by A plus C plus 1 by A plus B is equal to 3 by A plus B plus C, then show that angle A is equal to 60 degrees. That is how I should modify. Is it not? A is repeated. Similarly, I can give B is equal to 60 degrees by suitably modifying here. Okay. Let us see the next example. If A is equal to B into secant theta, theta is not connected to the triangle. Angles of the triangle are capital A, capital B, capital C. So theta is something else external. Okay. A is equal to B minus C into secant theta. Then prove that tan theta is equal to 2 into square root of BC by B minus C sin A by 2. Secant theta is given, he is asking tan theta. So you know the relation. So first we take whatever is given information here. From that I find the value of secant theta. Secant theta is A by B minus C. From that I want to calculate tan theta. What is the formula for tan square theta? Secant square theta minus 1. But secant theta is here given. So secant square means A square by B minus C whole square minus 1. Take LCM. So A square minus B minus C whole square by B minus C whole square. Numerator is in the form x square minus y square. So x plus y into x minus y. Denominator is same. But A plus B plus A plus B plus C is what? A plus B plus C 2s. We call it 2s. So because A plus B plus C by 2, that is called semi-perimeter S, denoted by S. So here this is 2s minus 2c. How? So because A plus B minus C can be written as A plus B plus C minus 2c. Okay. I'll add here c and again subtract another c. So it becomes A plus B plus C minus 2c. But A plus B plus C is 2s. So 2s minus 2c. This bracket. Similarly here A minus B plus C is A plus B plus C minus 2B. So A plus B plus C is 2S minus 2B. Okay. Denominator is B minus C whole square as it is. This is tan square theta. So 2 here common and here another 2. So 4 will come out by B minus C whole square. Remaining S minus B into S minus C I have written separately. Then extra I am putting here BC and another BC in the numerator and denominator. That is what I have done here. So here, so that this is a formula. Is it not? 4BC by B minus C whole square, that you keep it as it is. So tan square theta is 4BC by B minus C whole square. But this is nothing but sin square A by 2. Because already we have proved that the formula for sin A by 2 is square root of S minus B into S minus C by BC. So therefore this is square root is not there, therefore it is sin square A by 2. So we have proved that tan square theta is equal to this one. So if you want tan theta, just you have to take the square root. So tan theta is equal to, for 4 square root is 2, root BC by, for B minus C whole square, square root is B minus C, for sin square A by 2, square root is sin A by 2. So that is what we have to prove. 2 root BC by B minus C sin A by 2. Okay. Let us see the next example. 19. In a triangle ABC, show that A plus B plus C into tan A by 2 plus tan B by 2 is equal to 2C into cot C by 2. Okay. For tan A by 2 and tan B by 2. So in the last class I have mentioned these two formulae. And I have told you these are very, very, very important formulae. Which formulae? Cot A by 2 is equal to S into S minus A by delta. Cot B by 2 is equal to S into S minus B by delta. Similarly, cot C by 2 is S into S minus C by delta. These are the most important formulae. Frequently, we will be using in solving the problems in this chapter. That I have mentioned already, that the time has come to use these formulae. Cot A by 2, cot B by 2, you know, means tan A by 2 is nothing but just reciprocal, is it not? Therefore, cot A by 2 is this one, means tan A by 2 is what? Delta by S into S minus A. That is what I have written. Similarly, cot B by 2, this formula means tan B by 2 is delta by S into S minus B. These values for tan A by 2, tan B by 2, I will substitute here in the bracket. So I take the left hand side. A plus B plus C is of course 2S. And tan A by 2, I am using this formula, tan A by 2 and tan B by 2. Then delta by S I can take common, delta and S by S I can take common. Then S gets cancelled with a S inside. Okay. Only delta will come outside, 2 delta. Remaining quantities remain in the bracket. 1 by S minus A plus 1 by S minus B. So 2 delta outside. Okay. Here I take the LCM. S minus A into S minus B is the LCM. You will get S minus B plus S minus A. But what is S plus S? 2S. 2S is nothing but A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C minus A minus B. So therefore this is all nothing but C only. Small c. 2S is A plus B plus C minus A minus B. So all this bracket is equal to C. C. 2 delta outside. Okay. Denominator, okay, no change. So I take 2C outside and remaining factor is delta by S minus A into S minus B. Delta by S minus A into S minus B. That is nothing but we have to prove that it is equal to 2c cot c by 2, is it not? So we have got 2c into something. So this something must be cot c by 2 only. Is it cos c by 2 or not? Let us check up. Cot c by 2 actual similar formula is what? Cot a by 2 is this one, cot b by 2 this. So cot c by 2 actual formula is s into s minus c by delta. This is our actual formula. But here it is something else. Are they equal? See, is this equal to this? Yes, because if you cross multiply, what do you get? Delta square is equal to s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. That is correct, because delta is square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Therefore, if you cross multiply, you are getting it correctly. Delta square is equal to product of all the 4, s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus. Therefore, cot c by 2, this is the actual formula, but that is also equal to this. So, 2c cot c by 2 is the right hand side. Okay. Okay, students, the time is up. We have done some up to 19 examples. Next class we'll meet in the next. So, thank you very much.